Thinking of starting your own travel business?
Well, here are the advantages of the travel trade.
You're not going to deal with products, so you don't have to deliver anything, you don't have to stock, and you don't have to worry about sell-by dates.
There's no minimum manual labour, unlike a restaurant or a takeaway. You don't need to employ 10 or 20 people. You can practically get started on your own.
The customers will interact with your site, or the majority of them anyway, and that's going to cut down the time spent on customer services. Yes, some of them are going to call you, but the majority will just prefer to get it over and done with online.
People, after all, they do want a good time when they travel, so your customers are more likely to be very pleasant and in a good mood.
And, like we said, all you need is yourself, your phone and the laptop. What does it take to be successful in the travel trade?
You may need several licenses to get started, but as a minimum you need an ATOL license, which will cost you £37,500.
You're also going to need travel technology. You need to be able to search all of your suppliers and keep track of your customer details. For a decent solution, it's going to cost you £100,000 minimum.
You're going to need a decent list of suppliers. Let's say you employ someone at £8,000, it's going to take you roughly 5 years to build a decent list. That's an overall cost of £40,000.
And good luck with that, by the way. If you find someone good enough to employ for £8,000, that would be amazing. You're also going to need a website. It's going to have to be fully functional, dynamic and content management based, and on the market currently that costs between £15,000 to £20,000.
Okay, so let's say you have the supplies, you have the website, you have the technology, now you need the customers. After all, the customers are the ones who are going to make you money. You have the traditional marketing methods, which are leafleting, word of mouth, family and friends, posters, etc. Or you can move on from that and move on to online marketing.
Online marketing allows you to move into the world. It basically allows you to have international customers and not just customers in your city or in your location. It's going to cost you about £40,000 to get your site fully optimized so that you're ranking on Google, on Yahoo and on MSN, as well as the cost for pay-per-click.
Okay, so far the cost is £195,000.
As well as 4 years worth of stumbling through the learning experience needed to actually become proficient and profitable.
So over a period of, let's say, 4 years, you're going to make a lot of mistakes, you're going to have uncertainty in the travel trade, you're not going to be very organised, you're going to be inefficient, and overall you're going to lack that professionalism, which is very important in the travel trade. We provide you with all the licenses and the protection that you and the customers need,
as well as doing all of the background paperwork in order to get you up and running. We give you full training so that you're up and running within a couple of weeks.
We give you a list of over 160 tour operators, over 300 airlines and over 100,000 hotels and apartments worldwide.
You get the full system technology. That means that you're able to keep on top of things. It means that you've got a full system working on your behalf, and we train you, we teach you how to use it.
We give you a fully functional dynamic site, which was mentioned earlier.
As well as we give you the best commissions in the trade.
Not only that, the worst thing you can do is go into a business or purchase a business and be left to your own devices once you sign on the dotted line. We provide you with full ongoing support.
We fully expect that you as an individual are going to have questions that others are not, and so we're there for you individually. So get the best unique travel business package for you. Save yourself over 90% of the cost and cut through the hassle.
Call us now on 0121 702 0762. We are limited to the number of franchisees that we can offer this to, just in order for us to maintain high levels of customer quality support.